Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Model 3 at an EVGO station. First, you'll want to find an available EVGO fast charger using the EVGO mobile app or your Tesla's navigation system. It's important to confirm your Model 3 has the necessary CCS Combo 1 adapter, as most EVGO stations use this standard. Once you're parked, you can start the charging session directly through the EVGO app on your phone or by tapping your EVGO RFID card. After locating a charger, the next step is to connect your Tesla. First, plug your CCS Combo 1 adapter firmly into your Model 3 charging port. Then, take the EVGO charger's CCS connector and plug it into the adapter. You'll hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Always double-check that both the adapter and the charger are properly seated before you initiate the charging process to ensure a smooth and efficient session. Once charging begins, you can easily monitor its progress. The EVGO app provides real-time updates on your charge level, estimated time remaining, and energy delivered. You can also see the charging status directly on your Tesla's display screen. Payment for your session is handled automatically through your linked EVGO account, so there's no need to swipe a card at the station. Just charge and go. When your Tesla is sufficiently charged, it's time to end the session. You can stop charging through the EVGO app on your phone or directly from your Tesla's touchscreen. Once the session is complete, simply press the release button on the charger handle and disconnect it from your CCS adapter. Finally, remove the CCS adapter from your Tesla's charging port and store it safely. You're all set to drive away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.